Now we are replacing the new coil bearing. So we will check again the trouble code. Now remaining only history, the trouble code. So we'll try to delete, clear. Now it's disappeared the trouble code. Start mo lang, start mo. You just start the kailangan palang press ng push button. Little, only little. Check everything. Engine. Now no more. We'll check complete. If there is any trouble code. There's one trouble code. The steering. Because of a speed sensor, so we will delete. Alas, finished already. Okay. Thank you very much. Hello.